Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your Facebook Reels after posting. Alright, let's get started. So let's get started and open our Facebook, and over here you can see I have a reel that I have posted earlier. So once you go to Reels, you can see this is our Reels over here. So in this video we are going to learn how to edit it. So here you can see various options. When you click on the right hand side, three dots, you will see these options. So for this video, what you have to do is let's edit our edit privacy, and here you can set your privacy. So I can change my privacy audience to friends. So let's change our audience to friends. And let's go back again and click on this three dot icon, and here click on edit reel. So over here you can see you'll be able to edit your name and your cover page of your reel. So now let's give it a description. So this is our edited description, and now just click on save, and here you can see the name of the reel is changed. Since we cannot edit the reel, the video content inside the Facebook, we can only change the privacy and some names and description and the cover page of the reel. So to edit the entire video, what you can do is just click on this delete icon and delete the reel, and head on to our editing software and make some edits over there. And after doing the final edit, you can again post it to our Facebook. So that was the only method how you can edit your reels after posting on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.